Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix mobile network not available problem in 2022. Basically it's appear when you are calling someone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings app in your phone. So from here you have to tap on SIM card and mobile network. So guys, tap on that SIM which created problem for you. So guys, after that you have to make sure that this toggle is on. So if it's off, then on this, and what you have to do is just tap on this and turn the toggle on. And after that you have to tap on preferred network type and make sure that you have selected 2G, 3G, 4G auto. So select this one, then tap on choose network and make sure that this toggle is also turned on. If it is, then what you have to do is just go back and then tap on access point names, and after that tap on three dots here, then tap on reset to default. So guys, after doing all these things, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.